unboxing trend has taken a dark turn. YouTubers are now ordering mystery boxes from the dark web, and they are truly terrifying. Hello and welcome back to InformOverload. I'm your host for the day, Rebecca Felgate, and we are talking about a nasty box surprise. Before we open up the Pandora's box of this video, I want to ask you guys, what is the best surprise and what's the worst surprise you've ever got? I literally love surprises. I think the best surprise was some bunting with my name on. I didn't expect it, and I liked it. Also, while you're down there leaving me a comment, why don't you leave a thumbs up on this video and share it? Also, if you guys want to connect with me on social media after this video, there's a link to my Instagram in the description box. Alright, what is in the box? I've done my fair share of research on the dark web. I don't know if you guys know me from my main hosting job on Most Amazing Top 10, but we've done a lot of scary videos and talked about a lot of things that you shouldn't Google, and well, there's some pretty twisted stuff out there, and I don't know if I'd want it in a box. Some YouTubers are calling this the Deep Web Challenge, and it is dangerous. Honestly, I wouldn't want anyone from the deep web knowing my address. Nonetheless, a number of YouTubers have thrown caution to the wind and invested in these dark web boxes. Surprise, surprise, they are filled with a horrifying bounty. Ice Poseidon live streamed opening up his box, which included a USB stick that said "Insert me," a picture of a scary man that said "You don't know me, but Howard knows you," and a whole load of cement. Canadian YouTuber I'm Jay Stations bought a $1,000 mystery box. It contained animal remains, a diebuck evil spirit box, and photos taken from outside of his window. No, hard no. UK YouTubers were at it too. Jude Summers received an old Motorola phone, a bloody screwdriver, and a mystery pill wrapped in tinfoil. I think YouTuber Killums was the scariest though. He got a drug-stuffed teddy bear, a voodoo doll, satanic children's books, a dismembered doll with swastikas on, and what looked like a murder weapon. His 20-minute long video had nearly 5 million views, although it does have 40,000 dislikes, which, I mean, I guess it is, you know, pretty intense. He also used a tablet to order his box so he could remain anonymous, and he went to McDonald's to use their Wi-Fi so they couldn't trace him. He had the parcels delivered to his PO box, and his mum was really unhappy about the whole thing. To be fair, my mum wouldn't like it either. Obviously, buying drugs and illicit things and possessing murder weapons is, well, very illegal, and you could land yourself in serious trouble. Maybe even jail for life if you're unlucky. I mean, you may have a murder weapon in your house. Is it worth it for the thrill of finding out what the dark web can muster up at the touch of the button? Is it worth it for the views? I'm really not sure I'd do it. Would you guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. Honestly, I'd love to hear what you think, because I just think that this is crazy. I don't want entrails through the post. That ruins how fun posts can be. Okay, before I go, I'm gonna read some comments from one of my videos yesterday about an alien spaceship in the Bermuda Triangle. I love comments from Erica Stone. She always comments on InformOverload videos, and she always has a lot of interesting things to say. Now, this is what she had to say yesterday. There are thousands of ancient ships and ruins down in our sea. I'm not surprised. We also have possible different sea life that we haven't discovered yet in our oceans. Yes, I said oceans. There are 4 oceans of our planet. Google it if you don't believe me. Erica, I believe you. I know that we've got multiple seas and oceans. The oceans are the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and I guess I don't know where you stand on the southern Antarctic. I think America counts it, so maybe 5 oceans. Marcus said, Rebecca, you and Charlotte are both great. I don't think it's aliens in the Bermuda Triangle. If aliens could navigate to our planet, then they would know not to crash land in the ocean. Yeah, maybe, or maybe they just fell from outer space. Like he said though, I don't think that we have been visited by aliens yet, but maybe one day. Fingers crossed. Galaxy Note 7 said that they loved my comments dance, but have you seen my end of video dance? It goes like this. I'm getting out of here cause I've got more work to do, but you should like, and you should like too. Thanks, bye.